I'm Glen Thorne and I'm the Head of Operations Development. My focus is to ensure our group living customers have the right solutions to meet their needs and the needs of their clients, helping them to understand and meet British standards, fire regulations and the relevant legislation. I'm also delighted to be a BSI committee member, helping develop new standards across the UK and Europe. I've worked within the industry for over 30 years, 25 of these at Tunstall. Over this time, I've seen a change in the way our customers view and use their warden-call systems, with them now using them as a building management tool as well as a life safety system. Let's not forget that the primary function of a warden-call is to enable the resident to call for assistance when needed. This being said, the link to a monitoring centre from a single system integrated with other critical systems within the building has real benefits, especially now when the site-based staff within these environments are rare. Using the warden-call system as a hub, other systems can be easily connected, enabling the monitoring centre to receive a range of diverse messages from these connected systems. Some examples of this are sprinkler flow activations, fire part 1 and 6, door automation failures, plant or boiler alarms, door security, doors being left open, emergency lighting activation or lift faults. Tunstall engineers can connect anything that has an output to the scheme system, enabling information messages to be sent and the appropriate action being taken remotely via the monitoring centre. But this is just the start. Tunstall also is experienced in delivering a wide range of products and solutions across the full life of these products, from initial design through to installation, service, maintenance. We are experts and independently assessed and accredited for many of these systems, and use partner companies where necessary for other specialist areas. These include fire detection and alarm systems, emergency lighting, CCTV, structured cabling, Wi-Fi, door entry and access control, door automation, smoke ventilation systems, firefighting equipment, dry and wet risers, and many more can be managed end-to-end by Tunstall with the customer at the centre. So customers that want the peace of mind that their needs and requirements are understood and covered with the proposition or maintenance agreement and would like a single expert point of contact managing these systems, give us a call. Everyone at Tunstall is here to help.